Ingredients: gather dried split fava beans, garlic, olive oil, cumin, salt, and water for the bissara. Soak fava beans. Soak the dried split fava beans in water overnight or for at least 6–8 hours. Drain and rinse after soaking. Drain and rinse the fava beans thoroughly. Cook fava beans in a pot. Add the soaked fava beans and cover them with water. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat to simmer until the beans are soft. Blend the mixture. Once the fava beans are fully cooked, use a blender or immersion blender to blend the mixture until it reaches a smooth consistency. Prepare garlic paste. In a separate bowl, crush garlic with a bit of salt to make a garlic paste. Saute garlic in a pan. Saute the garlic paste in olive oil until it becomes fragrant but not browned. Add cumin. Stir in ground cumin to the sautéed garlic, allowing the flavors to meld. Combine garlic mixture with fava beans. Add the garlic and cumin mixture to the blended fava beans, stirring well to combine. Adjust consistency and seasoning. Adjust the consistency by adding water if needed. Season the bissara with salt to taste. Serve hot, optionally garnished with olive oil, cumin, or fresh herbs. Note: Bissara is a traditional Moroccan dish, and variations in ingredients and seasoning may occur based on personal preferences and regional recipes.